What's up YouTube, it's Obey once again. I'm back with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made 7k trading gold, guys. So before we go into how I took this trade, I just want to thank everybody. We recently hit 5k subscribers on this channel, and yeah, I just want to thank everybody that watches my video. If you are one of those people that watches my video, thank you, guys. Thank you. My God bless you. May you continue supporting me. That is the only support that I'm asking for you guys. I don't sell anything in the Forex space. I don't do account management. I don't sell Forex courses, and I don't sell Forex trading signals, guys. You can join my free Telegram group. It's in the video description if you want to be part of the team. I drop free signals every day. Starting from Monday up to Friday, I drop every signal that I take. I drop it in that group, guys. So guys, make sure that you watch until the end of the video so that you can get something out of this, guys. I will be going through the chart works on how I took these trades. So yeah, just make sure that you write down everything that I go through, because that one is part of my strategy that I'm currently using. So yeah, man, let me just go to the chart so that I can show you quickly. Okay, let's start at as you can see here, it's a daily time frame. As you can see, that is gold. We are on daily time frame, as you can see there. So yeah, as you can see, guys, gold is bullish. Gold is extremely bullish, as you can see. So okay, yeah, the first trade that we took, it was here at this zone, at this resistance, then support, but then price couldn't hold here. Price couldn't hold here, as you can see. Let me just quickly zoom in. As you can see, price couldn't reverse here, and then price broke it. Price broke that resistance, came for a retest, and then it sold. So now what we were looking at, we're looking at this second resistance turned support here with this trend line. As you can see, this is where we draw our trend line, as you can see. So yeah, now when price came here, and there was one thing again, there was a fair value gap. What do you see? This is a fair value gap that we have here. That is on daily. That is on daily now, as you can see. So price came into this daily fair value gap, and then it reverses there. Now let's go quickly to the lower time frames where we took the trade. So let me just quickly go on H4. Okay, this is H4, as you can see. That is H4, as you can see, guys. So yeah, now what do we do next? You see here, the market was making lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower high. This is our last lower high. Price broke this lower high. Price broke this lower high. Then where do we do next? What do we do next? Okay, we put up this resistance here. You see here, price reversed this resistance support. This is support, this is support, this is support. It broke and it made a resistance. So now we knew that okay, price would reverse at this resistance that we draw up here. So okay, let's quickly go on H1. Let's just quickly go on H1. Okay, now as you can see on H1, as you can see, now price has shifted from making lower lows and to making higher highs and higher lows. So now okay, price broke it, and we were waiting for what? We were waiting for a pullback to this area that we draw up here, and then that is where I bought. Now I put my stop loss at this support here, that we draw up here, because I knew price won't go beyond that. So now that is where we put our buy, because it was a swing trade. It was a swing trade, guys. I've been in the trade for, let me say, like a day, for a full day. So we bought here. It was the day, it was CPI. We bought during CPI. It was around this area. It's where we bought, and then we always aim for a 1 to 3 risk reward ratio, as you can see. So that is where we end at now, our buy on gold, guys, during CPI, after the news, guys. So this is the candle for the CPI, but if you want to see it clearly, let me just quickly zoom in so that you can see how the candle was on CPI. This was CPI, guys. We broke structure and then you came for a retest, and then that is where we bought gold, guys. We were holding gold. Even now I'm still holding gold, guys. Even now I'm still holding gold, as you can see. So yeah, I'll just show a video. I will show a video of the trades that are running. So I'll just show it on the screen here. So guys, if you are enjoying this video and you have learned something so far, kindly like the video, share the video, comment below, guys. You can also share the video. Comment below what you think about this trade that I have taken on gold. This was the best trade that I have taken in 2025. So yeah, man, if you want to join our free Telegram community, the link is in the video description. You can join for free, guys. You don't have to pay anything to be part of the team. So yeah, just drop a comment, guys. What do you think about this trade that I have taken so far, guys? So yeah, now thanks for watching, guys. Bye.